Hi. Thanks for joining us for the tutorial 17 of SmartMaker Advanced Function. While app products created with SmartMaker solution can be operated in desktop and mobile environment alike, in general, app programs are mainly used in mobile devices such as smartphones or tablet PCs on Android or iOS operating systems. In today's tutorial, we'll focus on how to implement smartphone-specific features such as camera, microphone, GPS, and map to your app program, so your application can take full advantages of its operating environment. Before we dive into the smartphone-specific features, let's take a look at the event for processing images such as a member's profile photo. With SmartMaker, you can implement a function that can take photos using the smartphone's camera function and upload to the app program. Users can simply select the camera icon and start taking photos and edit to resize, instead of having to scan the photo to upload the image file in the app. The function can also support importing and saving images stored on the devices to replace existing images. Users can also use signature function for saving signature for payment system or internal review system. Also, by touching and holding the entered email address, you can send an email to the address from your email account registered on the smartphone. Or you can send a screenshot of the current smartphone screen and attach to an email. Next, let's use the phone number event. Just touch and hold the number to dial the number. You can also send SMS by selecting the option from the menu. The last function allows you to view the location corresponding to the entered address from the map. Long press the address and the map of the address will appear. You can pinch in and pinch out on the entire map to zoom in and out of the map, as well as search for routes. Now, let's take a look at how these mobile device-specific events are implemented. I have configured the screen in advance with atoms to implement phone number, address, email, image, recording functions. In a mobile environment, data such as phone numbers, addresses, and emails are not just simple value, but special information. So SmartMaker supports assigning a dynamic function directly from data input atoms properties to make creating frequently used functions as quick and easy as possible. First, right-click the phone number field and select Style Properties. From the various dynamic functions, select Phone Number to implement the function which can call or send SMS to the entered number. For the address field, if you specify the dynamic function as GPS, you can implement a function that can display the address entered in the input field on the map. Similarly, you can add Send Email function by selecting email address as a dynamic function for the email address atom. Finally, if you select Name or Title from the dynamic functions, you can display all the dynamic functions in a separate window so users can select the function to execute. On the mobile device, dynamic functions will be executed by pressing and holding the data input field configured to dynamic functions. There are multiple ways you can implement smartphone-specific functions and using dynamic functions. As we saw in the previous example, you can use Image Input Atom on the left toolbar to use camera and signature functions. From Style Properties of Image Input Atom, you can specify input options so users can directly use the various image function. Finally, Speech Processing Atom in the left toolbar can process speech files using the smartphone recording function. For example, you can implement the recording function for an educational app to easily record speaking practice, and to find and review the recordings based on the related subjects or lessons in conjunction with schedule management function. In today's tutorial, we've learned how to implement features customized for mobile environments. Smartphone applications are a powerful tool that can even surpass desktop applications for its functionalities as well as its practicalities. We recommend practice making your own app by utilizing the various features covered in this tutorial to take full advantage of that potential. Next time, we will look into implementing speech recognition, translation functions using AI. Thanks for watching.